Let your purpose take control. From the ground to the sky, still we rise, never fall. Dream big, but start small. I was born in a yard with a zinc rooftop. Rain fall hard, but my spirit never stop. Mama say, son, keep your head up high, even when the system wants see you cry. Shoes full of hole, but me heart full of fire. Every little step take me higher and higher. No silver spoon, just faith in on. Planting me dreams in the dry hard land. No, every mountain starts as a stone, and every king was once unknown. Hold firm when the pressure come down. Your roots go deep, you won't drown. Dream big, start small. Hear the calling of your soul. One step on the road, let your purpose take control. From the ground to the sky, still we rise, never fall. Dream big, but start small. Enough man want reach overnight, that's illusion. Skip the foundation, urban confusion. Me build brick by brick, no rush, no race. Every scar on me skin show me place. From corner cipher to global sound, from barefoot walk to solid ground. Discipline sharp like a warrior blade. Every sacrifice a payment me made. Little by little we grow. Step by step we know. No shortcut to the throne. You have to claim what you own. Start